Hey folks, Dan Frio here with your Mortgage Minute. So yesterday, Federal Chairman Powell, he hit it out of the ballpark and we saw mortgage rates just plummet. Well, what's the after effect? Did it roll over to today? Is things still going good? Well, let's not go too fast on all that information. So what we're going to go over next is some employment numbers, some manufacturing numbers, and what that's doing to the market. Because my goal here is to make sure you're educated and informed everything real estate, especially when it comes to the financing. So let's get over to it. Here's where rates ended yesterday. Kind of a nice day. We had finally a reprieve in the market, but we're going to get to that in a second. Let's go over to see what's going on in the markets. Well, if you're new to the channel, please, you could subscribe to my newsletter down below. It's free. We don't sell the data. No strings attached. You can see that Federal Chairman Powell hit it out of the ballpark. Well, let's go over to the news right now. Oh boy, markets are back to doing what they're doing. Dow Jones is down 500, NASDAQ's down almost 300. Well, is that good news for mortgage rates, mortgage-backed security bonds? Well, let's get over to some headline news. Some headline news that came out today is building permits, they're down. I'm okay with that because there's an ample supply right now being built, and with the supply chain issues and labor shortages, it's causing concerns there. The next thing is initial jobless claims. People filing for the first time up, and now manufacturing is starting to really come down. The last reading was a 2.6 reading. The expectations were 5.5. We were actually negative. That's another sign that, okay, a recession is around the corner. So because of all this information, let's get over to see what the MBSs are doing. Are you kidding me? We gave back basically everything we gained yesterday. Let's refresh it and see what direction it's going. Well, at least it's holding steady at minus 72. So those new to this is how we monitor mortgage rates. This right here is a mortgage-backed security bond that trades on Wall Street. So we watch the price. What's going on with the price of the bond? When this price is down, mortgage rates go up. There's an inverse relationship. So if this is down, rates are up. This is up like we really want it to be, rates come down. And yesterday this was up like 100 and some points. Well, we're giving 70 back right now. So what's that carrying over to mortgage rates? Well, mortgage rates have not posted yet today. This is a national survey done by Mortgage News Daily on where we were or where we ended up at the end of the day yesterday. So none of these numbers or none of this has flowed into this market yet. So we're probably going to see this be taken away. So you're probably going to see rates go up at least 0.1 to maybe 0.2. So here's where mortgage rates are according to Mortgage News Daily. You can see across the board a lot of moves here. Not quite sure why the VA in this list, this is just a typo, but not quite sure why the VA would be up 13 basis points. But again, these are the national averages. So what I'd like you to do is just study this piece here. If you were not locked in and you got a quote, let's say Tuesday morning, well, you didn't follow up with anybody yesterday. So if you follow up today, that rate, if you're on a 30-year fix, is probably down a quarter. If it's a 15-year fix, it's probably down a little bit, maybe 0.1 or so. And you can see accordingly right through here. So we had a nice reprieve yesterday. News for today, or the trend for today, is completely negative, and we're seeing that flow over to all the markets right now. So if you'd like to find out more about me and what I do and what my team does, please go to the rate update. Here it is. We are a mortgage broker. Actually, my team now is associated with Allied First Bank. They are federally chartered to help people anywhere in the whole country. So if you're out there in need of a mortgage, you're looking to build, buy, refinance, cash out, renovations, home equity loans, anything you need, please reach out to us. We'd love to help. All the information is right here. And if you go to the site and you'd like to chat to somebody, we have a chat bot right here. So thanks for watching. I'll be back later this afternoon to answer any questions you guys have. God bless. Have a great day. Bye-bye.